Hello fellow geeks, this is service and repurpose video. I have old project made out of 5-inch display and some 3D printed case, and I want to repurpose one of my make it or break it projects to kinda more or less all-in-one variant. For this I need to perform some actions on this microcomputer. Okay, what do we have? Can we use this? Nope, it's too small. Can we use this? Yes, we can. That bolt looks awful, yeah? Nothing more permanent than a temporal solution. By the way, do not mind a lot of noise around here because I have a lot of printing going on. Had to start my old ANET A8 Plus. Woo! Look at that. Wow. How many things going on here. We have GPS module, battery, I think it's gone years and years ago. Come on, come out. Okay, we need to break free. Oh, yes. And of course we need to get rid of this tape.
Ghost of white, peeling back history. It clings like a fight. Out with the old, in with the black. Stick it down, don't look back. The edge is aligned, the seal is clean. A brand new start where old has been. Residue stays, ghostly marks from yesterday's place, but the black tape hums, it paves new ways. It
Now we need to find some nice bolts.
A sea of black shining in the haze. Lanes too long or short in this maze. Hands dive deep, but come up bare. The one I need is hiding somewhere. Threads like secrets spiraling tight, searching shadows under neon light. Black bolts, where are you? I need the perfect fit, not just a few lengths that mark me as shiny ghosts. Black bolts, you're the one I need the most. Fingers trace the edges, cold and sleek. Every piece whispers but won't speak. They're fancy, glossy, too pristine, yet none of them fulfill the dream. A mission in the dark, a quest unending, through piles of bolts, dimensions bending. Sparks of patience start to wane. Will I ever find my black bolt's name? Black bolts, where are you? I need the perfect fit, not just a few lengths that mark me as shiny ghosts. Black bolts, you're the one I need the most.
All right. 10 years old project. Hopefully will have its new purpose. Can plug it in? Nope, I can't. Should I peel it off? It already looks awful. "10 years. It was here 10 years. Now we have our external system and we need power. Where do we get the power? Looks like enough power for me. This should work. Hey, 189. Okay. Will it work? And just like that, I have switched cards, and right now our detector works straight from another Raspberry Pi. And it shows that we have some sort of parasite signal. And it looks like this signal is from our 3D printer. Yep, once I block antenna, 3D printer is no longer received. Once I put antenna back on, this alarm senses our 3D printer. Nice, nice, very nice. And that's it. Small switch slash repurpose project. And thanks everyone for your attention. And see you in the next episodes of some projects. And maybe make it or break it. This is not make it or break it because I knew that it will work. Yes, I know that you sense something at 433 megahertz. Thanks everyone, bye.